Hi guys, so what we've done is we've just sprayed a stripe on there at max pressure just to make sure that the product passed through the spray tip. We decided to lower the pressure. We sprayed with the 519 tip and we were still getting a little bit of fingers. So what we did was we changed the tip to a 515 and that's the result we were getting, and we're happy with that. So now we can do some spray work with that. The machine is at the correct pressure. It's giving you a good fan. Everything's good, ready to go. Try this machine out. Okay guys, always remember when you're spraying to have your PPE on. Let's spray some. Now is we've put on the low pressure tip, and I've just done 2 samples here, and I just want to show you something about these samples. Obviously you drop the pressure on the machine because you use almost half the pressure that you would use on the normal blue tips, the rack tips. As you look at these 2 spray patterns, you would see it's got much softer edges. Now once you do a 50% overlap, those edges will blend easier and you will get a much finer finish. So that's why these low pressure tips are fine finish tips, the green tips, and they give you a very good finish on walls, interior spaces. Hi guys, as promised, here's that brand new contractor PC gun from Graco. Rolls Royce, this thing, it's phenomenal. I'm just going to spray a little bit there so you can see how it works, and yeah, phenomenal machine. As you can see, we've just turned off the extraction so that you guys can see how little overspray there is. With this low pressure tip, the machine is set at the right settings, and with a great gun like this, awesome results, very little overspray, good job. We've got here on this contractor PC gun, that new gun from Graco, we've actually put the rack 5 tip housing with the rack 5 tip. This is a 215 tip. Now this tip gives you extremely sharp edges for airless spray machine. So this is for cutting and stuff like that if you want to use that on interiors. Just to give you an idea, the normal tips, the spray pattern actually looks like that. So that when you get your 50% overlap, you get an even coat of paint. Where this one looks more something like that, so that you can get those sharp edges, so that you can stop like near ceiling edges or corners on a wall if you need to paint really close to another wall with separate colors or stuff like that. So I'm just going to spray with this a little bit to give you an idea of how fine this is. This was actually done with this machine. As you can see, it's got very defined edges, so there's not a lot of blending. It's for cutting in corners, near ceilings and so forth. Good tip for cutting.